Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add lead zeros in front of numbers in Google Sheets. So in here, I've already opened a blank sheet and I'm going to add a numbers in here. Let's zoom it in first. For example, I'm going to add this numbers and it starts with zeros. When I click on enter, you can see the zero will be disappear. So how we can still add leading zeros into the number? So what you need to do, there are two ways that you can do. The first one is you can just click on the cells that you want to add the numbers, and then go to format in here, find number, and then you can see the current format is automatic, and you can change it into plain text. And let's try to add the numbers again. Okay, so after you change the format, you can see the numbers, the zero is still here as the leading the numbers. And you can also add apostrophe if you want to. You can use the apostrophe on your keyboard and then add the number, click on enter, and just like that, the zero will still be there. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.